Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a really lovely 4-string banjo to show you today. This is a steel string tenor banjo. So the ones I build, we use a 20-inch scale length, which is shorter than a lot of other builders. But I like that one because it's the same scale length as a baritone ukulele, so it's comfortable and familiar to me. And so this one has got steel strings and it's tuned G, D, A, E, like an octave below a mandolin. So it's a challenge to pick a string set with this short scale that does that tuning well, and I think we've got a good one here. So yeah, it's easier to reach some of the stretches for that style of playing, and the trebles really sparkle, and maybe we lose a little bottom end on that low string because of the shorter scale length, but I like the trade-off. So in this case, the instrument is mostly oak, and I've got this kind of old-fashioned stain in it, trying to make it look like a piece of old craftsman furniture. Really nice curl in this one too. The secondary wood is walnut, so everywhere else you see it's walnut. And then the customer sent an old Irish coin here to put in the headstock, which looks really cool. Yeah, we got a K&K pickup. We did the armrest, Renaissance head, and steel strings, and a little brass tone ring in there. So it's got a good loud sound too, which I really appreciate. So this is number 1030. Thanks, David. Cheers.